Hello, my lovely followers. In this video, you will learn how to make the center of the mandala, which is usually the most critical part of the entire creation process. The first step is to create a mesh of concentric circles using a regular compass. This grid will serve as a basic guide to make your dots beautifully symmetrical. Another important thing is to always thoroughly shake or mix the content of your paints. I specifically like to use Boyer Cadence acrylic paints, which are very high quality, colorful, bright and durable. I then use an ordinary crochet kit for the actual dotting. Different sized mallets fit perfectly in the hand, and can be used to make dots of different radii. According to my own experience, you learn the most by observing, so I stop talking and enjoy the whole process with relaxing music. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from my workshop. I really appreciate all your likes and comments. Have a nice and peaceful day.